Hello and welcome back. This morning I'm going to show you how I like to make a smoky orange beef in the crock pot so I can go to work, come back and have a nice meal done for me when I come back. This is how I do it. All right, I have a bone-in beef roast. I'm just gonna poke a couple of holes in it. Doesn't need to be too bad. I'm gonna add a little bit of Claude Sauce. If you don't know what Claude Sauce is, it's amazing. Originated in Texas. A little bit goes a long way. There's a lot of liquid smoke and salt in here, so we're gonna do, oh, you can smell that. It smells amazing. Okay, probably about half a cup. That's it. That is it. Then we're gonna dump in some orange soda. Probably about 1 can's worth. And I have, this is optional. If you don't have this, this is fine. But I have a pinch of orange zest. That's it. Put the lid on, set your crock pot, and walk away. All right, we are done with our work day. Just come home, it smells amazing. We're gonna see where this is at. It's been on low for about 8 hours. And we're gonna dig in because I'm hungry. Okay. Okay, be careful when you get this out because of the oils. Don't let it splash on you. That was gonna hurt really bad. All right, let's try this. See how well Mama did. Now, keep in mind too, if you marinate this ahead of time, the flavors are going to be a lot more rich, a lot deeper. So you might enjoy that a little bit more than if you have to rush like I did this morning. But it still works out the same. All right, here we go. Oh my gosh, I'm so hungry. That is really, really good. You can taste the smokiness in there, and you can taste that little subtle orange. I probably should have done a little bit more orange soda this morning, just given the fact that there was a little bit more fat content in this one. But of course, like I said, marinating it is probably what I should have gone with, but this absolutely works. It'd make an awesome gravy as well if you want it over mashed potatoes. And I'm gonna stop talking because I'm starving and I'm gonna eat it. Have a good night, y'all.